Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Phone and computer must share the same network or plug the phone via USB for tethering. Install the official Trackpad or remote app on your phone and its companion on the PC. This ensures protocol compatibility. Once done, grant required permissions, input control, accessibility, and local network access. Make sure developer options are off unless the app requires them. Enabling only needed permissions keeps things secure. Now open both apps and proceed to pairing. You'll now pair the devices. Use the app's QR code scanner, enter a PIN shown on the PC, or allow automatic discovery, follow on-screen prompts. Once paired, calibrate touch sensitivity so pointer speed matches your hand. This prevents overshoot and reduces fatigue. Adjust gesture mappings, 2-finger scroll, 3-finger swipe, tap for right-click, and multi-touch shortcuts. Make sure scroll direction and click behavior match your muscle memory. Changing these now saves time later. Test small movements to verify accuracy. You're ready to use the phone as a trackpad. Practice dragging windows, performing right clicks, and using multi-finger gestures for shortcuts. This builds fluency. If you notice latency or dropped input, switch connection modes, Wi-Fi to USB or vice versa, because wired connections reduce lag. Once done, make sure the companion app remains active and background permissions are allowed. If gestures stop working, restart both apps, reauthorize input permissions, and repair the devices. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.